In this video, I will show with you how to log in online in Credit Mutuel Bank. So all you have to do, go to Google, search for Credit Mutuel. This is the keyword. Click on the first website here. You will see this page. Click on the customer area, as you can see here. Enter your postal code, or you can use this option. Friends, this is for option customer area. You can use this one, login. As you can see here, click on login. You can directly log in this page. So click accept and close. From here, all you have to do, choose your login information, such your password and name. For example, this is your login password here. Choose your password and then click on login. So click on login and then choose your password to option here. So this is how you can do. You can use also app. You can download this app on Google Play or App Store. After download this app, you can complete your login process with simple steps. I hope this guide helpful for you. Don't forget, give like and give share this